Hi guys, so tonight I'm going to do a new pour. It's not really new, but a few different colors than I normally use. They're very dark. I'm using Prussian blue, deep turquoise, dioxazine purple, good lord, I don't know what it's called, Philo Violet by Grumbacher. There's Sapphire Metallic Blue by Art Minds, white. So this is a pour for the very sweet Mina Villegas. She is a fellow artist and she wanted to see these colors together. So let's see what we can create. Pretty colors in there. So you can see on here all of those beautiful colors. They're great. I'm gonna bring you guys down so you can see this. I'm very excited about this. Let's see what we can do with this ethereal pour. And there's a kitty. there is something under the paint, and I want to get that before it screws up anything else. So let me see if I can find it. There it is. Okay, we can carry on. All right, I'm gonna bring the center back to the center and come down this way. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's okay to take your time when doing these pours. I really want to try and keep a lot of the composition in here. And there are some beautiful wing looking areas. I'm very excited about this piece right now. Can't even begin to tell you. Oh, look at that, a piece of my hair. Ugh, I don't know, I have it tied back too and I don't know why I did that. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in the areas that do not have any paint with what is left in my cup because I do not want this folding over itself. Because then you lose part of the composition. I would like it to glide over the edges. And it may seem like a lot of wasted paint, but it's what works for me. And just remember, it's not just paint, it's Vastly Floetrol. Now, if you guys haven't gotten a chance to check out Mina Villegas, she has a YouTube channel and she does some beautiful straight pours, or what she calls fantasy pours. They really are very nice. And we are going to be doing a collaboration soon. And we'll go from there. I think I'm ready for one. I haven't done one yet. So we'll see. Okay. I'm going to torch it again. I see air bubbles coming up, which is fine because I just mixed my paint. So sometimes if you let your paint sit overnight, you don't necessarily get all these bubbles and stuff in them. Okay. All right, so let's get moving this beauty. I'm bringing it back to center every time. You just want to stretch it a little bit at a time. Just over that edge, just a little bit. this one hair. Doesn't want to go anywhere. Okay. I think I saw something else here. We're just gonna move this down to this corner. I know you guys can't see, but it is going over the edge. All right, I'm just letting some things settle and move here. I'm gonna turn it this way so you guys can see it. Oh, I almost got some on my sweater. I'm gonna bring it right on back. This is pretty darn cool, I must say so. I don't think I'm gonna move it anymore. I really, really love what this represents right now, and I'm super excited. This is going to go to my friend. So what I'm seeing, oh, did I get paint on me? No, I didn't. Okay. What I'm seeing here is, what do you call it when you're in space? And well, not like we all go to space, but we've all seen the sci-fi movies, but it looks like a meteor field, and it is really cool. So I'm sure you guys can see that too. If not, I'm bringing you down anyways, and you can share in my delight if you'd like. So, all right, I'm just taking these gloves off. They're making a mess of everything. And I have not much paint loss, which is fabulous. And it may seem like there's a lot of paint on the canvas, and there may be a lot of paint on the canvas, but I promise it is not going to crack or craze or any of that. So let's do a final torch. I feel like this is from Star Wars or something. This is pretty cool. Any Star Wars fans out there? Let's see if I can make you one. All right, let's bring you guys in. This is crazy. Look at that. That is so awesome. And all these colors are so beautiful next to each other. Look at all this. I have to say this might be one of my favorite ones. And Mina, you are that lucky recipient. I'm gonna have to try this again. This is crazy cool. All right, and all these little rings in here with the gold. It is gold, you just can't see. There we go, a little shine to the iridescence of the gold. All of this is just so cool. So I'm super happy. I hope you guys have a great Sunday night. It's the start of my work week, and I can't complain. If you'd like to be a patron of the arts, you are welcome to make a donation to my PayPal link found below in the description box under the video. That helps me out, and so that I can continue making beautiful art like this piece. What else? I do not have the Lole Vefe mats under here. They're not there today. I had done a bunch of pours that are actually not even uploaded yet, and they are a mess. So hopefully the skins on that will dry nicely. What else? So in the violet, I mixed, to darken it up, I mixed some, let's see, what was it? It was, so I had the Phthalo Violet by Grumbacher, and then, or Grumbacher. So that's right here. And I added some ultramarine blue, and then I added dioxazine purple, and it was just too dark. I wanted something a little brighter. So what I did was I added a little bit of Arteza's Bordeaux red, and it really made it pop. So you can totally integrate your Arteza paints with other paints to change the colors, or, you know, modify anything you want to a more, I don't know, richer color, or whatever you want to do. So I have that. The Lola Vefe mats are in the other room. You can find a coupon code for those down below the description box as well. It's my coupon code is Sarah5. My Arteza coupon is SarahMack3. There's a PayPal me link. What else? I don't know. I'm going to put a link to Mina Villegas' YouTube channel. If you can show her some love. She's got some beautiful pieces. She works mainly on large size canvases. If you haven't checked out some of those pieces, go for it. I highly recommend it. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great night. Thank you so much for watching. I try to get to all your comments. It's been a very busy weekend. And for those of you who have private messaged me, I will definitely get back to you after I clean up my mess. So have a great day. Thanks, guys. Bye for now. I have no words. None. It's an asteroid field. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. Did I tell you guys I'm excited? I'm so excited. I have to make another one.